How do I get a return on investment on my marketing for my web and graphic design studio? This was a question that popped up on the digital marketing Reddit earlier today. And essentially, the person is looking for a way to get a return on investment on their $300 because they don't want to waste money. Well, hold back on spending here is my first piece of advice. What you want to do in this instance is not focus on getting a return on that money. It's using that money in a way that's really effective with something else. And there's something else in this instance would likely be going direct to customers that look like the ones you've already served. So for your web and design graphic studio, let's just say you've worked with insurance providers before. Now, with that budget, what you need to do is get a list of insurance providers that look similar to the ones you've already worked with. And you can use some of that budget to brief such a task to get a list on something like Fiverr, and there are other tools out there as well. Then with that list, what you want to do is simply direct outreach. Hey, reaching out to you because I've done work for insurance companies before. Here's some examples of my work, link, link, link. Yeah, would you like me to do some of this work for you? We can deliver X, Y, Z. And you'd want to work on your copy and what you're doing there, but that's the fastest, most direct way to get a return on your budget for your web and graphic design studio that I think, based on the info you shared. Good luck.